Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to record screen on a Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you are using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to record your screen, so let's see how can you do this. You have two different ways. First way is that you have to scroll down the control center and here just look for screen recorder. Just tap on it to record your screen. It will start recording your screen. You just have to tap on it when your screen recording has been done. Just tap on it and then select sub option here. In this way you can easily record your screen. But there's a second way. You just have to enable the settings. So open settings and settings, just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Then select easy touch and here you just have to enable the settings. After that you'll get to create or something like this. Just tap on it, then select screen recording and it will start recording of your screen. When you have done, just tap on it, then tap on stop to stop your screen recording. In this way, you can easily record your screen on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.